Hey you guys, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome to my channel. So let's talk about this Black Friday sale at JoAnn's. Now, as of today, this is one day after Black Friday, Saturday, the 27th of November. I was not going to go, okay? I knew that they were having a 99-cent sale on Simplicity patterns, but I said, you know, there's really nothing that I need. Until Miss Talisha of Creativity by T posted a pattern make that she did that I just absolutely fell in love with, and I will post the link to her video down below. It was a fabulous sweater, like a tunic top that she did, and it's just my style. I love it. And I knew I did not have that pattern, and I had to go and get it. So before I start this little mini haul, because as you know, I went for one, came back with several, I'm gonna show you what I got. But if you are new to my channel, welcome, and I appreciate you stopping by. And if you are returning, welcome back. And everyone, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Don't even think about it. Just do it, all right? So let's get started with this Simplicity mini haul. So the sweater I am referring to is Simplicity 9178. And it is this pattern right here. You guys, I looked at this pattern several times, but I was like, that's probably nothing I would make. But I'm going to be honest with you. It pays to look at the line drawings, because I did not look at the line drawings on these patterns, on this particular pattern. And if I had, I probably would have picked it up a long time ago. And let me tell you, I just love that. I was looking at what the model was wearing, and she's wearing View B, which is the shorter version. But as you can see, View A is a longer version. And then you even have the option of View C. I could see this as a really cute, like a top to some joggers. So I think that would be really cute if made like out of jersey knit material. So yeah, I went on ahead and grabbed this, you guys, and I'm really pretty excited to sew that up, because right now I'm getting ready to really focus on making some tops for this winter, because it's already pretty cold here where I am. It's kind of up and down. However, I know that I love wearing like leggings and boots, so I need more tops to go with those type of things. And then I went on ahead and grabbed this one. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't sure if I already had it, and I'm still not totally sure, but I don't think I picked this up previously. If I did, oh well, I got two now. But it is Simplicity 9385. And it is this one right here. And I love the sleeves on this top. And that is why I'm wondering if I already have this pattern. But if I do, it was just 99 cents. I got it again. So if I cut the wrong size or change sizes or something, I got a backup. Now the next one is one that I had not seen done, but since we're talking about sweater tops, kind of tunic top likes, types of things, I picked up Simplicity 9014. And it was this top right here. Now, this, of course, as you can see, is being worn like a little dress, but there are shorter versions to this if you kind of want to shorten this out. But I do like that it have like the raglan sleeves. And I also see that because of the fact that it's loose, you can do some different variations with something like this. You can belt it up. You can layer it with something else on top, especially if you're in a cold area like I am. You do have a shorter sleeve version of that. And then you do have some shorter tops of this also. So I think that this is going to be a really nice one to make. This is like a rib knit. It does call for knit fabric, but I think that rib knit would be great for this one. I do have some rib knit. Now another one that I picked up, this is not something that I would normally pick up, but I am trying to get some oh, what do you call it? Some different types of variations, you know, to my wardrobe to be able to wear with different things. So I picked up Simplicity 1499. This is an older pattern. And it's basically just a vest. It reminds me of like a ski type vest, except for it's not the bubble like material. But I love the different views of this because you can kind of style this in different ways. And it is even lined, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, putting like a different type of lining on the inside, especially if you're doing the collars like that, it's going to show really well. But yeah, I can see a lot of things that you can do with this. And this even has the patterns to the little headband she's wearing. So that's something real cute and simple, especially if you have, I think it only calls for like, definitely calls for like under 2 yards of this fabric, you guys. I mean, for fabric for this particular pattern. So definitely worth having in your stash. Now, since I made my first coat, I have been on a coat kick. I already have a couple of more patterns for different types of coats, but because they're so fun to make, I wanted to make sure that I had a few more options in my stash. So this is Simplicity 8796. And I just thought that that coat was really cute with that little tie belt there. And then you have some different variations of it. You can shorten it. You have one with like instead of the tie, you can do like the one button there. And just really change it up the way that you want to do this. And I do believe this is a lined coat, so you can make the inside just as fashionable as the outside. And I picked up another coat, which I thought was really, really cute. And it is Simplicity 8554. And that is this trench type coat. And I just thought that this was really cute, especially that shorter version of it right there. I love like a coat that hits like at the knee. Long coats on me, I'm shorter, so I'm not totally crazy about them, but I do like the shorter ones. And then you can even do like a jacket, like a really cute little jacket, great for the fall. And even ending the winter when it starts to get a little bit warmer, but still cool enough to wear a jacket. So this is an unlined pattern. So I can see this being a really quick make. And it doesn't say what level this is for, but the fact that it is unlined, yeah, I mean, I can't say that it's for beginners. I won't say that, but I see this being a pretty simple make. So yeah, we're going to see how that turns out. Now, another one I picked up, this has been in the book for a while too, and it's Simplicity 8016. And I've seen this pattern several times, but just never thought about picking it up. It's amazing how you can see something, then all of us see something over and over again, and then you see it at one time, and you're like, oh yeah, I need that in my life. But what caught my eye was this right here, and this is for knits, okay? But I love that lace top with like that half length sleeve there. I just think that that is just so cute. This one, okay, but I really, really like that one, and just love the way that it is made. As you can see, that is view A. Yeah, it's view A, and you have your, I'm going to call it like a sideways high-low, you know, on the sides instead of the back. So really cute little top. And I do like it in that lace a lot. Put a little tank top underneath it. I think that would be really cute. Now, another one I picked up, I just didn't see the need for me to pick this up because of the fact that I am a part of her Sew It Academy, and we learn to make jeans and to copy our favorite jeans, things like that in there. I didn't feel the need to pick up this pattern, but tonight I just felt the need to pick up this pattern and just have a basic jean pattern in my stash. So I picked up Simplicity 8516, and this is a Mimi G pattern. If you've been going through the books, you've seen this pattern. It's been in there for a very long time. But you have 3 styles of jeans. You have your average fit, your slim fit, and your curvy fit. So of course I went researching on Instagram to see the outcome of what others had made out of this pattern, and the fit is really, really nice. So I said, you know what, why not go ahead and put it in your stash, have it there, because I do have some denim that I do need to do something with. So just might go ahead and try out my first pair of jeans with this fabric. So with this pattern, not that fabric. So then the very last one I picked up is a Mimi G also, and it's Simplicity 9381. This is one of her fall patterns, and it is this suit right here. I did not pick this up in the past simply because I didn't feel that I wanted to make a suit or a suit jacket. But the more and more I looked at this one right here, just the color and everything, I really, really like it. And I like the way that, because of the way that it's cut, it really cinches the waist. And so not just the pants itself, but I do like the shorts the more I look at that. And I feel that that would be a really cute set for the upcoming spring, most definitely for me. Yeah, very, very cute. The pants are growing on me, and so we'll probably end up making this one day. I cannot say when, but just to have it, I know that I will most likely end up making it for something. So yeah, that is my day after Black Friday pattern haul for the Simplicity Patterns 99 cents. Today was the very last day for that sale. So I'm really glad I was able to catch it to grab that sweater pattern, what I went in there for in the first place. And yeah, just get some more in my stash. I got plenty to keep me busy, and I'm getting ready to start working on using up a lot of the fabric that I already have to go ahead and make some things out of it and get it out of the way. And that way I can figure out what I'm not going to use, I can donate and be able to replenish with some more fabric that I know that I will use. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed that mini haul, and stay tuned for the next one whenever it may be. We'll see when the next sale come about, but in the meantime, I'm just really going to be doing some really simple sews and doing some things budget sewing, you know, sewing on a budget and sharing with you guys. I have no doubt that you will like that, because everybody's trying to save money right now, and that's what I am all about. So I will definitely be sharing a lot of those different makes with you, letting you know where I got my fabric from, for how much, and how you too can save money. But it starts with those, you know, inexpensive patterns, 99 cents, $1.99. Catch them on sale and you can save a lot of money just starting there. So I'll share more with you in the future, but in the meantime, you guys have a great one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.